Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to get the voice chat on Roblox. First thing to do is to log into your Roblox account, go to account info, and then as you can see here, you must be age verified on Roblox for you to use this feature. So first, verify your account. Kindly type your valid email address here. Once done, click continue. After that, you can see here that it needs identity verification. So you need to prepare a valid ID, or you can use a smartphone to process and to continue filling the information in a web browser using my mobile phone. Then as you can see here, it's processing, like connecting to your mobile phone, verifying you. So I used my passport because they only allow valid IDs like driver's license, passport, ID card, and so on. If you don't have a valid ID, I doubt that you will get verified, then it's very impossible. So your ID card will be scanned by a Roblox photo processor for authentication purposes. After the scan is complete, users will be asked to take selfie in order to prove liveness and likeness. Now, once done, all you need to do is to wait for your result, if they will allow you to use this feature or not, if you get verified or not. And because I have verified my age, now I can enable this feature. So now that you have this feature, you can go directly to your game. So all you need to do is to go to Roblox and kind of search for a game that uses voice chat. You can type voice chat game. Now, as you can see, I am playing Mic Up, and now you can play the game. You can click this one, go to settings, and choose the microphone from the input devices tab. So as you can see here, I have a microphone with me. I can talk and I can hear other people's voice. As easy as that. So that's how you get the voice chat on Roblox. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and video tutorials.